Hello guys, Instant On here. Today we are going to teach you how to make your dinosaurs real, like this one. All you need is a tripod. Ding! Now all we need is a dinosaur. Ding! And the last one, we need a camera. Ding! First, we need to put the camera on the tripod. Make sure the camera is not moving. Next, you grab your dinosaur and then take one by one the picture. Like this. You also have to make sure the dinosaur is moving step by step. Okay, next one. Move a little bit. Then, here is the result. We got 5 types of dinosaurs to choose. As you can see here, there's Triceratops, Rajasaurus, Velociraptor, T-Rex, and the one we just reviewed today is Spinosaurus. I picked this one because it is the largest out of all of them. Compared to all of them, this one is the biggest of all. That's it guys. If you need to buy a toy, buy it at Mainan Anak Pekanbaru. They have a lot of toys. Thank you and see you later.